Welcome dear students. In previous lecture, we are starting to solve this GDU question paper of the 15 December 2021 for heat transfer. And in previous lecture, we solved the numerical which is asked in question 2C main part. In today's lecture, we are going to solve the numerical which is asked in question 2C or part. And the data given over here is calculate the following for an industrial furnace in the term of black body and emitting radiations at 2773 Kelvin. First, monochromatic emissive power at 1.2 micrometer length. Second, wavelength at which the emission is maximum. The third is maximum emissive power. The fourth one is total emissive power. And the fifth one is total emissive power of the furnace if it is assumed as a real furnace with emissivity equals to 0.9. So students, here in this numerical we need to apply the knowledge of black body radiations for monochromatic emissive power as well as Wien's law of displacement. We are able to calculate the wavelength at maximum emission. So let us start with the solution of this question. Student, first we write it down the given data in this numerical. Data given over here is the temperature of surface, that is the temperature of furnace. So we take as a surface temperature, that is 2773 Kelvin. The lambda for the calculations of monochromatic emissive power is given, and that is 1.2 micrometer. So it becomes 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Then the emissivity for the calculations of real emission from the surfaces is given, and that is having the value of 0.9. So this data is given. Now let's start with the finding for the first, that is monochromatic emissive power at lambda is equals to 1.2 micrometer. So students, we know that the Planck's formula to calculate the monochromatic emissive power, which is indicated by EB lambda, which is equals to C1 into lambda to the power minus 5 upon exponential C2 by lambda t, bracket is over, minus 1, where the C1 and C2 are the constant and the value of C1 is 0.374 into 10 to the power minus 15 watt per meter square, and the value of C2, that is 14.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter into Kelvin. And lambda for the calculations of monochromatic emissive power is given, that is 1.2 micrometer. So it becomes 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Now students, we put it down this value in our equation of monochromatic emissive power. So we get 0.374 into 10 to the power minus 15 into lambda is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole to the power minus 5 divided by exponential C2 is 14.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into the temperature of the surface is 2773, bracket is over, minus 1. By calculations, we get the monochromatic emissive power at wavelength of 1.2 micrometer is 5.39 into 10 to the power 12 watt per meter square. So this is our first answer. Now the second is maximum wavelength, that is indicated by lambda max. So for calculations of maximum wavelength, we need to use the Wien's law, and that is lambda max into T, which is equals to 2998 micrometer into the Kelvin. So here the temperature of surface is known to us, that is 2773 Kelvin. So we can able to calculate the lambda max, which is equals to 2998 divided by 2773, and we get the answer like 5.37 micrometer, or we can write that 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. So this is our finding number 2. Now for the third, that is the maximum amount of monochromatic emissive power. So third is maximum monochromatic emissive power, and that is indicated by EB lambda max. So students, we need to apply the same formula, that is Planck's law, but whenever we are applying the Planck's law, simultaneously we also need to apply the Wien's law, because it is maximum one. So here the lambda becomes the maximum one to the power minus 5 divided by the exponential C2, it is as it is, into lambda max into the T minus 1. Now students, we know that lambda max into T is having the relations using the Wien's law, and that is 2998 micrometer into the Kelvin. So we utilize this, as well as we know the value of C1 and C2. So in general form, we get EB lambda maximum is equals to the 1.285 into 10 to the power minus 5 into surface temperature to the power 5. So here the surface temperature is given, that is 2773 whole to the power 5. So we get the value of maximum monochromatic emissive power is 2.14 into 10 to the power 12 watt per meter square. So this is our finding number 3. Now fourth is the total emissive power. So we use the Stefan-Boltzmann's law for the black body emissive power, that is sigma into Ts to the power 4. Stefan-Boltzmann's constant is having a value of 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 into the surface temperature is 2773 whole to the power 4. So we get the value of total emissive power is 3.35 into 10 to the power 6 watt per meter square. The fifth one is the total emissive power when the surface is a real surface having the emissivity of 0.9. So we know that the emissive power of the black body, when it is treated as a real one, so is the emissivity into sigma into T to the power 4. So the value of emissivity is 0.9. The Stefan-Boltzmann's constant is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, and the temperature is 2773 whole to the power 4. So we get the answer, that is 3.01 into 10 to the power 6 watt per meter square. So this is our final findings for this numeric. Tune with the channel for getting the solutions of the other numerical asked in the same question paper. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.